Hello everybody, I'm Carla Machado, a PhD student from Portugal, from Nova School of Science and Technology, from the Conservation and Restoration Department and Vicarte Research Unit. I'm here at the Institute of Physical and Chemistry Rocasolano in Madrid, assessing their facilities, laboratories and research expertise via FIXLAB access to research infrastructures. I came here in the aim of the European project E-RIHS to develop research on stained glass and mainly on the grisaille paint layers, bringing stained glass fragments and samples from different European contexts and chronologies to be analyzed by laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, laser-induced fluorescence, and non-linear optical microscopy complemented with multi-photon excitation fluorescence. These techniques will allow us to get information regarding the chemical composition and thickness of the grisaille paint layers in a non-destructive way, meaning without sampling. This is really important for the point of view of when we are studying artworks and cultural heritage materials, and for my work especially, as I could not do it in another way. So I invite you to check the IPERION HS catalog for service and apply to a transnational access provision to boost your research on heritage science, as I did.